Hello friends, how are you doing? So far we have worked on some sounds in human voices like sniff, splash or bang. And today we have two more of them. In the first sentence we have I lay there hearing the buzz of a fly, but I couldn't find it anywhere. A buzz is a continuous sound like the sound of a bee. So in this sentence, this person means when I was lying, I heard the continuous noise of a bee or another fly, but I couldn't find it anywhere. In the second sentence, we have I can't share a room with you if you snore. I won't be able to sleep. Snore means to breathe noisily through your mouth when you're sleeping. So here in this sentence, this person means that if you're going to breathe noisily through your nose or your mouth when you're sleeping, I can't share a room with you because I can't sleep. Thank you very much.